Simultaneous linear equations, graphical solution. We have already seen two algebraic methods for finding the solution of a system of linear equations: the substitution method and the elimination method. Using our knowledge of straight lines, we now introduce a third way, which is the graphical method. The graphs of any two straight lines which are not parallel will meet somewhere. The point where they meet is called the point of intersection. The point of intersection is the only point common to both lines. Now look at the system of linear equations. These two equations are both equations of straight lines. So let's graph them. Make the y the subject and identify the slope and y-intercept in each equation. Take the first equation. Make y the subject. The y-intercept is 3. Start by plotting the point that represents the y-intercept. The slope or gradient is -1. The numerator means change in y direction and the denominator means change in x direction. Starting at the y-intercept, go right 1 unit and down 1 unit. This is another point on the line. Draw the line. Take the second equation. Make y the subject. The y-intercept is -5. Start by plotting the point that represents the y-intercept. The slope or gradient is 3. The numerator means change in y direction and the denominator means change in x direction. Starting at the y-intercept, go right 1 unit and up 3 units. This is another point on the line. Draw the line. Find the intersection point where the lines cross. These lines cross at the point 2 and 1. This means the solution to this system is x is 2 and y is 1. The next example you should try to solve by yourself and then check the full resolution. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.